Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back.
There's definitely something to be said for the days that I choose to go back to sleep and not set up a time lapse, because, wow.
Now that I have those drawers made, I'll have Nancy put all the cans or whatever. I don't know, she's way better at organizing stuff. If I organize it, she'd reorganize it anyway. So I'm gonna have her put all the stuff away in the drawers, but I got the drawers done. That job went well. We have a microwave I have to install now. When we built the bus right back there, we put in a Samsung Convection microwave oven thing all in one, and it worked really well. We really liked it. It got the job done. There was times though that well, it broke. It quit working after 3 years. So, yeah, it's not the first microwave I've ever had last 3 years. The turntable quit working on it. And before I could fix the turntable, the microwave part of it quit. It still worked as an oven, but whatever. To replace our all-in-one microwave oven, we have this toaster oven, smart oven, air fryer, I don't know. It does a whole bunch of stuff. It works really well. It's got 4 heating elements on top, 2 at the bottom, where the Samsung just had the heating elements on the top. So, I don't know. I like it a little better than the Samsung as an oven, but we've been going since a little bit before Thanksgiving without a microwave, and there's times when you want to use a microwave, when you want to defrost meat or you want to reheat your coffee. So, we purchased a little microwave here, and I'm going to put it right there. There's enough room between the window and the wall. I'm going to have to extend the shelf out the back side, but I'm going to cut a hole there the size of the microwave so it fits right into there, and then it'll stick out the back so it'll fit on that shelf. Yeah, I'll have to make a cabinet for Nancy's tea. I think the tea cabinet's going to go over here with the coffee. I'll make some kind of cabinet here to keep her tea in. But this will allow the door of the microwave to swing open too. We thought about doing it down here, but we like to set stuff on the counter, and if you set anything in front of that door, then you can't open it. So just gotta cut a little hole there and extend that shelf off the back of the wall, and let's see how this goes. Won't need these hooks anymore. Maybe I will need this one. I'll put it back in if I need it. I will not need this one. The hooks are there because we have a rope that comes around and holds all the baskets in while we're driving. But once we have a microwave here, we really will still need a rope for here. But we definitely don't need one around here anymore. The microwave will be attached to the shelf somehow.
Window sticks should probably come out, huh?
Yeah, now that we have windows open again.
Oh, I mean, now that I'm putting drawers in where they are. I gotta get them out again.
Ooh. I don't know why I'm trying to save the box. Out of camera, just disappears then, right? Doesn't matter if it gets...
like one of those laundry fairies?
It is the laundry fairy. Exactly, you understand how it works.
You just leave it there and it...
Just like that.
It just disappears?
Just disappears off camera. Never to be seen again. As long as it lands in your way, it'll never be seen again. hit the little thing to remove and it just removed the little tab. It didn't remove the film.
Oh, that's okay. We could be like, oh, Connor would be so disappointed in you.
I know. He's got a different OCD than me. My OCD says that film doesn't belong on there. Get it off as quick as possible. For some reason his says leave it on there forever.
Protect your screen at all costs.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't put that in yet. Warning, microwave energy. Do not remove this cover. Should say capacitor energy, but whatever.
I feel like I've been waiting forever for these drawers. But that's okay. They've been sitting in a stack of pieces waiting to be assembled. And I'm super excited to get all of the extra food in here because we got a couple of bins of like canned goods and stuff that we use in the den. And it's really, I'd really want to get all my sewing stuff into the den because that's what's going in there, and I'm really excited to get it out from underneath the bed so that I can actually use it. They still need to have drawer fronts put on. But because I'm doing them obviously in the same paint that I used the couch, and it's an enamel, I'm gonna wait on the actual drawer fronts until we get to Colorado and I can do it outside and have them dry really fast and not have to worry about it. And even have the windows open so that if I do have to bring them inside for rain or something, it's not super smelly. Holy window sticks.
Oh yeah, we have a couple, huh? 9.5 inches.
What is this? Oh, this is for the hammock, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, that's what it is. Okay. I thought it was a yoga thing.
No, it's for the hammock.
It'd fall out better than that. There we go.
Like that?
That's what I wanted it to do, yeah. I probably didn't cut it big enough because that's what I usually do. I try to cut it exact size.
I'd rather you cut it a little small and had to cut again than cut it too big.
That's what trim is for. Cut it too big and trim it. That's the way it would work faster, right?
But you're never one to do things the fast way.
Nope. No, I don't do it the fast way very often. I was looking at this and thinking, what am I going to do to extend the shelf out the back, and had all kinds of ideas, thinking I had to extend it like 3 inches maybe. Where the legs are on the microwave. Tripod's in the way. They're just barely hanging on the edge right now. Then everything behind that really doesn't matter. Because it's out of focus, it doesn't matter. So I only have to extend the shelf technically about 1/4 inch. But if I sandwich a 1-inch piece of steel on the back side of where this 1-inch piece of steel is and a couple carriage bolts holding the two together, that'd be way overkill, and be really a piece of cake, just 18-inch or 16-inch piece of steel across the back there. Yeah, this job went way faster than I thought, and I like it. I think it should work. Little cubby hole that's going to be hard to get to stuff back there, but yeah, the way the door opens on it, that's about all the further the door needs to open to get the stuff in and out.
Perfect.
Yeah, and that really doesn't block anything back there.
Yeah, no, that'll be great.
Or if we put it here, down below.
Oh, there's always going to be something in front of it.
Always going to be something in front of it. Because we could have inched it over this way a couple inches down below, but something always would have been in the way.
No, that's totally fine.
So Meek-ro-wah-vey up there, and some kind of an oven down here.
Meek-ro-wah-vey. You have to say it right. Meek-ro-wah-vey.
Look at all that garbage over there. I had that all cleaned out so nicely.
Hey, those are drawers. That is not.
No, not the drawers. I'm pointing to the stuff up above. Everything that used to be over here. All the stuff I moved to do this job and not get dust on.
Yeah, it looks way cleaner over there.
Yeah. With 2 people living on the bus, we've been keeping it quite clean. I cleaned. Nancy took a nap today, and what did I do? I sanded all of those, and I ate. I'm really in the dark. And then yeah, I spent like 15 minutes cleaning, and the whole front was clean.
Yeah, it's remarkably easier to keep it clean without Connor and Allison and Swiper and Salem here.
Yeah, remarkably
Remarkably
easier.
easier.
Yeah, it's been really. I shouldn't say it's really easy to keep it clean, because when you live in this small of a space, it's. I don't want to snap. Sorry. Don't. Snapping didn't go good in the last video. Yeah, yeah. It really quickly it can get messy.
Well, and the hard part about it is that when it's 4 people instead of 2, inevitably you're always cleaning up somebody else's mess. And it leads to frustration and annoyance, because if you could just take 5 seconds to set that down in your room instead of on the kitchen counter, it'd make it a lot easier for everyone.
Now it's just the 2 of us, and yeah, it's going quite well. It's almost like we have a big house, even though it's small. This extra space we found is nice. We have a microwave again.
Meek-ro-wah-vey.
Yeah. Oh, and then on the very short list of things to do is to put a real electrical system in this bus, so I'll have to put an outlet back behind there for it. But hopefully I get that done before I leave Tennessee. Steve really wants to help me do that. But
I would really like Steve to help you
yeah,
do that.
I'm trying to get a couple of these other projects done quick here first. I think a washing machine is next, and then
Yes.
then electrical. Yeah.
Yeah, my nephew gave us a washing machine. Isn't that nice? Super handy of him. Thank you, Michael and Zach, by the way, for giving us a washing machine. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to use it.
I guess that's it. I realize I never showed it on the video, but we have screws going straight up through the bottom of the cabinet into the microwave. There's 2 of them along the front, and it doesn't move at all. It worked actually quite well holding it that way.
Yeah, it does.
Quite easy.
And it's nice to have a microwave again, because as much as we thought that it'd be okay, because, I mean, what do we really use it for? We actually do use it more than we realize, so it is kind of nice to have. Because reheating food on the stovetop, you can do it, but it takes patience. And with a stovetop that doesn't have a low, it's really hard.
So, yeah, nice to have a microwave again. And
yeah, it is.
It's screwed in place. It isn't going anywhere, and I still don't have an outlet behind there, but we do have some outlets in the bus, so it's on its way.
And we'll have more in the next couple weeks here, too.
Yeah.
So.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.
Bye. Hey, don't say anything to the camera, because I need to pee. I can edit this out. But as soon as I sat down to pee, you started talking, and I was like,
Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle. Just kidding. You're editing, so I do whatever I want, I guess.
They've been assembled in a stack of pieces waiting to be assembled. Huh.